Hey guys, this is Allie with TipB at iMuggle on Twitter. Today I've got an iPad app review for you today. This one is native to the App Store. It's free and it's called Box.net. This service has been available online for a while. They've also got an iPhone app that we're going to look at maybe in another review because the UI is a little bit different. But it's free for iPad. I'm going to launch it here. I'm going to show you a couple things. Anyone that's not familiar with this, it's a cloud-based service, similar to something you'd get with MobileMe or a service like that. We just started testing Box out for work, so we're in like our second week of testing with this, and so far we really like it. For us, it's convenient enough to use as a storage device in replace of like using server, setting up a server. What it's going to do is you can collaborate in folders, you can upload all your folders, your documents, you can share them with colleagues, you can put notes on them, you can assign tasks to them. It's really cool. Like for people that have to work in conjunction and work on the same documents, this would be a great service to use. I set up a personal account here that I dropped some folders in, if you could see that, so I could maybe show you a couple things here. On the iPad, I'm in landscape right now, and you'll see that on the left you have that panel with your file system. And on the right is where you're going to view documents. So first thing I'll show you is under settings, you'll just have your login information, whatnot. That's all under settings. You can hide that panel if you want when you're in a document. Let's look at an Excel file that's rather large. This is just a blank application that we typically use for work, so I'll use this to demonstrate since it's a fairly large file. You can see it loads pretty quickly, especially considering this file is, 12 or 13 tabs long. You can see all the tabs come up at the top, so those are all the sheets that I have inside this one Excel file. You can click on any one of those tabs and it'll bring all that information up. You can scroll through it, zoom in and out. At this point, you cannot edit Excel files on the iPad app, as far as I know. I haven't been able to edit anything, but you can share them. It's basically just for storage at this point. Say I want to add a comment to this folder though, or to this file, so another coworker, if I have it in a collaborative group, can see that. I can go there, it'll bring a keypad up, and I can add a comment like review for tomorrow. And I can post that comment on there. It says success, and then it'll send an email if I choose to my coworkers. In the left you'll see it says my name. I put a comment, review for tomorrow. So say I wanted my boss to review that. He would see that or get an email notifying him if he's in that collaborative group that I need him to review that file. Let's look at it in portrait mode. In portrait, what you're going to get is a drop-down menu, just like the Mail app. So you can go back, let's go all the way back. I've got some previous reviews that I did in here, like my quick reply review that I did yesterday. Pull up screenshots of that, tap that to get out of it, and zoom in and out of screenshots. Overall, I think this is a really good app. The UI is very nice. It's very similar to the iPhone app, but at the same time, this one seems a little bit more intuitive. It's got a couple more features. You can also do link sharing through Box.net. Go to the top here, and I can type in an email address. Say I wanted to send that to Renee. I could type in renee@theiPhoneblog.com and enter a message, and he'll get a direct link for me to share that file with him. I like this because we at work have a lot of lenders that need information from us, and we're able to send large PDFs through this without having to print them off. We're looking at other services too, but for now this works. I'm interested to see what they come out with. They had said I talked to a consultant there about our business plan, and they had said that they were going to look at a desktop syncing service that's coming out of beta, so we might need to re-review or reevaluate this app when they release that and see how well that integrates with a Mac and a PC, and what kind of backups that'll do, or if you can set it with certain files. If so, I think that we might be willing to make this, our one of our main backups for our file systems. Not familiar with this app? It's free. Go get it. You can get an individual account for free. I think you get so many gigs of storage, 25 megs per file limit with that, or you can choose a paid account. It's free to try, so try it out, or if you already use it, thoughts, comments, questions, leave them in the forums or in the comments section. Thanks, guys.